We happen to think Facebook's new timeline feature is actually pretty cool. You get this giant cover photo, this timeline view of all your posts, but some people find it pretty cluttered. The two-column view is a little bit hard to navigate, and while I think it's really cool that I could have a giant picture of me and Spider-Man at the top of my page, some people just think it doesn't make the profile look as good. Luckily, you can get rid of the timeline view with an extension called Social Fixer. Head to socialfixer.com and download the extension for your particular browser. In this case, we're using Google Chrome. Afterwards, head back to Facebook and reload the page. You should see this new wrench icon in the top blue bar. Click on it and hit Social Fixer Options. Now, Social Fixer adds a ton of other features to Facebook, so you're going to have to disable all of these first, or else you're not going to like what you have. So go through this entire options box and uncheck every option. Do this for every category on the left-hand side, and when you're done, go to the timeline category. There, check these 4 boxes. That's all but the top box. Click Save and reload Facebook again. It's not going to give you back the old layout per se, but it will make timeline a little bit less cluttered. You'll no longer have that cover photo at the top of your page, and you'll no longer have the Friends box on the side. The two-column view is completely gone, and all that's left is the Spotify box at the top of the page, which you can get rid of if you want, and a chronological list of all the wall posts you and your friends have made. If you decide you don't like this, you can uninstall Social Fixer pretty easily. In Chrome, just head to the wrench icon and go to Tools, Extensions. If you're in Firefox, hit the Firefox button and go to Add-ons. Then just hit the Remove button. We recommend giving Timeline a bit of a shot. It's pretty cool and you can do some fun things with it. But if you don't like it, this is an easy way to make Facebook a little bit cleaner.